Hi guys, hope you guys are having an amazing day. So today I'm going to prepare a very tasty noodles. So in today's menu, I'm going to share with you all how to prepare restaurant style Hokkien Mee. So now not to waste time, let's check it out. So guys, now to begin with, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. So guys, now our oil is already hot. So next, I'm going to add about 5 cloves of garlic which I've already chopped. While our garlic is frying, I'm going to add a few strips of chicken. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Now let's mix them all together. And next, I'm going to add about 300 ml of water. Now, let the water come to a nice boil and then we'll add our noodles. So guys, as you can see, now water has started boiling. So now I'm going to add the noodles. So in my case, I don't have the yellow thick noodles. So I'm going to use an alternative. So in my case, I'm going to use the udon noodles. This is also fine. This is the nearest alternative you have. So now I'm going to add the noodles in. And then I'm also going to add some of the vegetables. So in my case here I have a bit of carrot and also some cabbage. So I'm going to add it in. Mix it really well. Now I'm going to cover it and let it come to a nice boil, and then we'll add our thick soy sauce. So guys, as you can see, water has started boiling. Now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Mix them all together. Next, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of ikan bilis powder. Mix it really well. The reason why I'm adding the ikan bilis powder is because it really gives the nice rich umami flavor, so which we really need that. So that's the reason why I'm adding it. So make sure to add that. So now let's just mix them all evenly. And now let's cover the lid and let it cook until the water reduces. So guys, now let's check our noodles. Wow, look at that. The smell is so lovely. Let's mix them all really well. Okay, now next I'm going to add a bit of prawns and also fish cake. Our noodle is almost ready, so that's the reason why I'm adding the prawns at the end so that it doesn't overcook. And also I'm going to add a bit of sawi at the end. Now just mix them all together and let the water reduce a bit more, and then our tasty Hokkien Mee is ready. Now let it cook for another 3 minutes, and then we are going to add our special ingredient. Wow! So guys, finally our Hokkien Mee is ready. But to finish this dish, normally they used to add lard, pork lard. But of course this is the halal version. So in my case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add fried chicken skin. Okay, this is it. It's very crispy. It's very crispy. So I'm just going to break and sprinkle them on top. So it's going to give a nice flavor and a bit of crunch. Then we are going to enjoy this noodle and also the fats. So this is going to be really, really good. So there you go guys, a simple and a tasty restaurant style Hokkien Mee ready. So now as usual, it's time to eat. So I hope